Hey guys, Dan back with another drawing, which I had this idea a few months back, and it's only like 2 days ago I thought I'll try and finally do it. I had a horrible instance about 2 hours into this where I thought, hang on, have I seen this somewhere on the internet and I'm just doing the exact same thing? But I googled it and I couldn't find it. I hope I haven't done the exact same thing because this popped into my head a few months back. But maybe it popped into my head because I saw it. Who knows? But anyway, I did it. As usual, the beginning part, I struggle. I always struggle to figure out exactly what I'm going to do. And it always looks like a child's drawing at first. You know, it probably still does at the end. But I'm quite happy how this came out. There's a few things I gave up on halfway through the drawing. I was going to put a door, then I gave up on the door. I mean, I could still put it in at the end, but I don't know. And weirdly, it really done my head in. I'm back on Photoshop. I was using Krita, but there was things in Krita which I really enjoyed on Photoshop, which they didn't have in Krita. So I signed back up to Photoshop. I got the 2020 version, and it's only this one I started back drawing on Photoshop, and there was something weird going on with my brushes which I could not figure out, and it was really annoying me, and I was struggling to do my pen pressure wasn't working, and it was only about three hours into this bloody drawing I realized why it wasn't working. I finally found a fix, and then things got so much easier. So much easier. You have no idea how hard it is to like shade and do gradients when your pen pressure isn't working. But as usual, you know, something comes out, an update ruins it, and you have to go online to fix it. But anyway, I fixed it, and I'm quite happy how this turned out. There's still a lot I can see which I can improve on it, and I may do in the future, but this is as far as I've got. This has taken me probably, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 hours, maybe 5 hours over 2 days, I don't know. But I quite like this one. And like I said, there's an idea popped into my head a few months back, and I hope I haven't seen it on the internet. I did try to Google it, but I couldn't find one. I used various references, obviously, because it's hard to do this stuff without references. The one in the corner is from Hereditary. I think I've seen it in something else as well, but Hereditary is where it stuck out, where the creepy part where the son wakes up and his mother, spoiler, is in the corner, just clinging to the corner of the bloody ceiling. Oh, it's so creepy. And for Mario, I just used various Mario references, but I've tried to colour him a bit more realistic. I think it's come out alright. I gave him a fat head at first, more like Mario, but then I squished it a bit, and I'm hoping he doesn't look too much like Luigi with a red hat on now, but that wasn't the intention. The intention was to have his head, a fat head, like Mario has. But I don't know. But yeah, I'm overall happy how it's turned out. I'm not going to talk the entire video. So yeah, let me know comments below, whatever, I don't know, whatever. And I'll be back again probably in about a week, maybe 2, with something else. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.